Hey, welcome to our mid-century modern listing in Northwest Gainesville. Come on in.
Welcome to this beautiful kitchen. As you cook on this original Thermador stove, you look outside and you see the birds and all the nature. And this oven was original Thermador oven. It's just beautiful, it's immaculate, made to last forever. Of course, they don't make things like that anymore. After you're done cooking and you come to your sink and you're looking out and doing your dishes, it's such a beautiful, peaceful place to be, up in the trees in nature, hearing the birds and the owls. And I just can't express the feeling I have right now. So what makes a mid-century modern home? Well, as you can see, we feel like we're in nature here. We are merging with the greenery, the trees, the stone, the wood. You feel like you're living in a treehouse almost. So after World War II in the 40s, that's when people felt like they needed a rebirth. So bringing in all these beautiful natural products into homes that were very reasonably priced for the middle class people. They could afford these types of homes. This definitely is not for someone who's very traditional and likes the Victorian type of furniture and look of a home. But this is just open, airy. The feeling that you have when you're in here, you feel light and bright. And it's just a wonderful place to be.
Now we're in the courtyard. This space has so much potential. It's screened in. It has this beautiful view of the creek as well. This wall is so unique with the vines growing up. And behind this wall is also a workshop. We put this house on the market, and in 24 hours we had 20 showings, 7 offers, and multiple people calling us from all over the country asking for more information. So if you would like to see more houses like this, follow us on social media at Team Balatori.